Yo, what is up, legends? My name is Wikus and welcome to the Week Trading channel. Last week, I explained that we should see some more bearish movement in the market, and after Tuesday, the market decided to go bullish again and continue with its bullish trend, making the bearish movement a little bit of a fake out, although we did get enough liquidity grabs at the bottom. So it seems like the market still wants to continue bullish, and that's a good sign for us Nasdaq traders, as it's easier to trade Nasdaq with bull momentum. If you want more information about wick trading, the courses that I offer, as well as the copy trading and signals group that I have, and want to understand more about how I analyze the charts and what I do when I look for a trade, please click on the website link down in the description. Everything you'll need will be there. Please feel free to click on the like button, the subscribe button, as well as the bell notification to be notified when I upload more videos to YouTube. But once again, before I take too much of your time, let's get straight into the market. I honestly thought that we would see more bearish momentum in the market and a longer continuation of the bear momentum. Looking on the weekly, we closed with one massive bullish candle. As you can see, we had a nice push down at the beginning of the week, and it caught quite support here on my EMAs. Now, I don't focus on the EMAs at all. I just use it for extra confirmation in the market. But that was a nice support that the EMAs basically gave that weekly candle. Going down to the daily, looking at what happened here, if we take our trend now, we start basically there and we pull the trend. The market did a bit of a fake out on the trend there. If we pull it down to the bottom of that wick, as you can see, the market faked out and just moved back up, forming a bullish engulfing. Now, the one thing that does stand out to me, even though we closed above and formed a new higher high, is that we have not yet retested this specific area after this bullish engulfing candle. So it doesn't mean that we are necessarily going to do it, but if you go back into the history of the market, you'll see the market loves doing it. So looking at this specific place where the market formed support, bounced up, came back down to get its liquidity again and continue up. This specific one didn't do it so good. It found enough support there, but this one did it. A breakout and then basically a comeback, a retest, and that one as well, a nice retest, not at the bottom, but a good enough comeback. This one at this stage has not come back down at all. So we've got 4 bullish days in a row now, again, showing a lot of momentum, but we need to see the market actually retesting somewhere here at some stage so that we can get into good buys again, and follow this new trend that's going up. Going down to the 4-hour, looking at this specific zone, if I basically just look at this massive trend that basically jumped up towards the top here, a bit of a fake out. That one here on Tuesday, I just missed that buy. Then the continuation up. If we look at this, we follow the market on the 4-hour time frame with our ABCD fib, and we just wait for the market to eventually come back down and give us a nice entry. Looking at specific support zones, at that area there possibly, that area there possibly, and even this area down here below. If we basically take our support box to that area there, and just look at it, this area here. So I'm waiting for a bit of a pullback in the market again, but not as big as I anticipated initially with this push down. I'm waiting for the market to come down a little bit and to come and grab some liquidity and get back into a buy again. There's a lot of buy momentum coming back into the market now after that bear push. As you can see, we closed off far more bullish than we closed off bearish on the previous week. So we did get enough liquidity grab. I must say that we did get the trend line. We retested the trend line. That movement is a beautiful movement. So I know some people expected a bit of a inner shoulders pattern here, but I didn't get enough confirmation on the candles at all to go into a sell from this specific area. So initially I did send out a signal and I basically pulled the signal back because I saw, no, this one is going to head up and just continue up. So waiting to see what the market does now. I'm waiting for a bit of a pullback, hopefully get into a nice buy. But the market is plain now. It's plain and simple. It's easy to see what's happening in the market now again, after all this movement on the left. So this is basically straightforward movement in the market. But getting into the market just anywhere is a risky thing to do. So you need to plan out, as I explained in one of the videos, you need to plan out your trades and get into the perfect spots into the market. So I'm waiting for the market to give us a bit of a pullback and give us a nice perfect entry to grab up. So hopefully the market comes to this area or this area and then grab this one up and trade it to all the way to the top again. A 5,000 pip trade. Hopefully that happens. Even if the market just pulls it back to this area here, it's also a good trade waiting, but we need to get a bit of a retest at some stage. The market has to do it. There's a lot of liquidity here at the bottom. If we look at the 4 hour, the candle structures on the 4 hour, wrong button. Just looking at this candle structures here. So this massive bullish engulfing, this candle came for a bit of a liquidity grab and it completed. This one did not yet do a liquidity grab. Neither did this one, neither did this one. Or there's a little bit there, but not really good. So I'm waiting for a bit of a pushback, getting for a liquidity grab at the bottom here somewhere, and then continue the trade up. So it's basic. It's a short video. It's a short analysis because this is ABCD pattern is as basic as possible as it can be. So I'm just waiting for a bit of a pullback. Yeah, thank you for taking the time and analyzing the charts with me and looking at what we can expect for the week ahead. Once again, please click on the like button, the subscribe button, as well as the bell notification. And if you have any other questions that you want me to answer or something specific you want me to look at in the market, please leave a comment down below. I will be more than happy to look at it. Have a legendary week and I'll see you all in the next one. Cheers.